What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys one of the drinks that helped me during this weight loss journey since the start of the new year. You know, new year, new me. And I've actually lost 20 pounds to this date. So this juice right here has been a huge part of it. Obviously the best way to get the most nutrition out of your fruits and vegetables are to eat them. But you know, some people do like juicing and find it convenient or just easier to do to get everything. Like me personally, I probably wouldn't eat a golden beet. But getting it in the juice is really good in my opinion. So right here, I'm just starting off by cutting up my carrots. And then right here, I'm cutting up the golden beets into quarter sizes pretty much. So I am quartering my beets and then cutting the carrots into like smaller pieces so that when I put it on the top hole of the hopper for my Nama J2 juicer, it just makes it easier so I can keep the process going without having to continuously open up the main feed. Anyways, I'm cutting the oranges as well. I did use 10 oranges. I used about 2 bags of the organic carrots from Bristol Farm, so I don't know, that could be anywhere from 18 to 30 carrots. Probably not that much. I will have the ingredient list in the description box below, so make sure you check that out on your way to subscribing to the channel. I hope everyone, you know, if you do enjoy this video and it comes across your page, definitely hit that subscribe button. I will be having more juicing videos. This is an everything food channel, so you'll see videos from baking to cooking different things and juicing like you see right here. I will have different playlists for that, so make sure you check that out. Leave a like on today's video and also drop a comment down below some of your favorite juicing recipes. But yeah, this juice right here is super good in my opinion. And as you see, I'm adding the lemon and ginger with the oranges just so it can mix well. But at the end of this video, I will be putting it all in like a bigger pitcher, my blending pitcher, so that I can mix it all together, add the turmeric and honey. I just like to do that because it gives it a lot more flavor. Like, I think this juice by itself, it could be good, but it probably won't taste the best. So I like to add a few things that are nutritious and help, you know, the flavor. So let's get into some of the benefits of this juice, starting with the oranges. Oranges are rich in vitamins and plant compounds. They're also a good source of fiber. They have other health benefits. You can look it up for yourself if you want to. Let's just be clear, I am not a dietitian or a nutritionist, so if you need more information, make sure you look that up yourself. As far as carrots, you know, obviously don't taste that good by themselves, but when you can add it into juice, you get a ton of benefits. Carrots are a rich source of dietary carotenoids. I've never heard of that, but I'm reading it off because it is in the top 5 health benefits of carrots. Carrots may also help support cholesterol balance and heart health, and it also may help with weight loss and may reduce the risk of cancer, and it could possibly help with gut health. So this juice right here, you know, you're getting a ton of benefits out of a few ingredients. And then with ginger, you don't have to add ginger, but I think ginger is super good because it helps with bloating and gas, and it's an anti-inflammatory, and then it can also help with nausea relief. Lastly, for turmeric does have a natural compound called curcumin. I don't know what that is, never heard of it, but it also has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. So you get a ton of benefits, like I said, just out of this juice alone. Then for the honey, that's just like a good natural sweetener. I did pay about $10 for that bottle right there. So it's kind of expensive, but you can use whatever honey. You don't have to spend that much money. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you stayed to this point, again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. The goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. Drop a like on the video and also leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.